Hello, good morning, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Adedapo Michael Sunday, and in this video tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can create a donation page. The last time when I was teaching, when I was in a video on how you can hidden secret on how to get domain and hosting, this video I talk about how you can, I talk about my next video, and I said I'll be doing a video on how you can create a donation page like this. And today we'll be going to how you can create a simple donation page like this that can allow your viewer, your audience to be able to donate any amount for you. Now, paraventure, why do you even need to know how to create something like this? The reason is because when you are designing a website for an NGO website, for an NGO organization, maybe probably an NGO organization contact you for you to design a website for them, and you want to design a website for them. There is no how they will need a place for donation, stuff like that, because an NGO. So and a donation page is quite different, and it's very, very important in NGO websites. So, and that is the reason why we'll begin to go step by step on how to go about it. And personally, left to me, I'm going to walk you through on how to go about everything. So without wasting much of our time, so let's just simply go there. So this is the website I will be using now. Now, firstly, I'm going to talk to you about the plugin we'll be using. We'll be using Paystack. I'll be using Paystack. So let me go to my let me install a plugin. The plugin is called Paystack plugin. Paystack. Okay, add new. And the plugin I'll be using is Paystack form. Yeah, Paystack form. So I'm just going to come to this place and type Paystack. Paystack form. I'll wait for it to load. So it's gonna, can you see Paystack form, payment form for Paystack? Can you see this is the plugin? Can you see? Just click on install now, and you wait for it to install. And after you installed it, you click on activate it, and now click on activate. Now let me wait for it to activate. So let me go back to my, okay, the plugin is activated. This is, now you can see the plugin here. Now the next thing you need to do now is just go to your Paystack and just log into your Paystack, and you wait for it to load and just log in. Paystack login. So I'm going to click on here to log into my Paystack dashboard. So I will just click automatically. I will need to log in. So now this is my dashboard. Now what you need now is that you need an API key. Now just come to this particular place, come to profile. So just come to your profile and go to your API webhook. Can you see? You click on this place, it's going to show you this place. So you come to your API webhook, just click on it. Should I use this account? Okay, for training, say let me use this account because I have another Paystack account that I use. So let's just make sure we test secret key and stuff like that. But in your own case, you make sure, if you are doing it for a client, you make sure you use this. But because we want to use this for a testing sake, so let me go back to my Paystack now. Since I'm here, let me go back to my plugin and let me come back to the payment form. Can you see it? And I'll click on all form. So when I click on all form, it's going to show me that there is no form. It's empty, right? So don't worry about that. Let me close this. Let me close this. Let me close this. I don't like it. I'm going to click on add new. So when I click on add new, so it's going to take me to, it's just like when you are creating a form, what is it called? When you want to create a post on now you see add name, that is same method here. So just come here and click on donation, just type donation here. So when I type donation here, it's going to show me all these things that by default the stuff is being configured to ask three things, to ask their name, their email, and their phone number. By default, if you want any other thing you want to collect from them, you can click on all these things. But I think this is a donation page, we don't really need any other thing like that, because what else do you want to ask? If since it's the donation form, the donation page, you want to create a donation form whereby people can actually be able to donate. So I don't think we need much thing to ask from them, because you should be able to leave them to do whatever thing they want to do. Now apart from that, again, there's another setting you need to just scroll down a little bit. just scroll down to this place. Can you see? Now they have a currency. If you're watching this video from another currency, another country rather, you can use any currency. Can you see? We have Nigerian, Ghana, South Africa, Kenya, US dollar. So anyone, in case the organization you are designing the website for is not in Nigeria, you can use their country store or use the US dollar and stuff like that. Anyhow you want it. So hope you get it like that. So you leave it like that, and the amount, if since you are doing a donation, you don't need to specify any amount. You leave it to 0. But if probably you want to use it for a membership, for a subscription, then you need to specify an amount there. For it can be one time fee like 5,000. Like 5,000 or 50,000 or any amount you feel like. So it depends on how you want it. But I'm going to close here. I'm going to leave here to 0. Yeah. And so amount to be paid, I'm going to leave it for 0. Do you want to have any drop down? Maybe you want your drop down to be in, you want your drop down, you want to have, when they get to the amount to be paid, you want it to be a drop down menu whereby they can see like the 1,000, 3,000, 10,000, and they will be able to pick any one of it. Can you see this is the format? Can you see them here? So you can set down here, but like I said earlier, is a donation stuff. So you can change this pay button to donate now. So what else again? If you want to ask extra charges to it, you can ask it, but I think there's no need for that. So after that, if you want to give the investment, you can just say thank you for donating. God bless you. And just say thank you for donating. God bless you. Full stop. Now, what else again? You can configure all this thing on your own, but I think that is all basically. That is all basically. Very simple, very, very simple. Seriously. So once you are done, like, you just click on publish, and you wait for it to load. So this has automatically been published. So you come to your form, just click on all form, or you copy this code. Can you see this is the code? When you click on all form, you come back to your form, you copy all this code. Can you see this is the code? So and I click on Ctrl C. So I'll come back to my my pages. Can you see? And I'll click on add new. So when I click on add new, I'm going to type. Oh, there's something I need to do before this, but let me just publish this. I'm going to type this as donation, and I'm going to come here and just paste the code. I'm going to paste the code here, or probably click on this plus icon. Can you see it? This plus icon, can you see it? Just click on it and search for short code. And if you want to use Elementor, you can also use Elementor. Just search for short code. You will be able to see it. Either this one, or you come to and use Elementor. But since it's a basic one, so we need to just click on this and you paste the code here, and you click on publish. So let's view the page let's view this in a new page. While I come back to my dashboard here. Now, can you see it's not working now? Why? Is because I've not set my API key, and that's what I said I need to do first. I think I made a mistake. That's the first thing. So you need to come to your payment and you need to come to setting. Can you see setting? This pay stack form, come to setting. So I'm going to click on the setting. Then when I come to my setting, I'm going to come to, since I want to do a test mode for now, so I will be needing this, my test secret key and test publish key. So let me come here and copy my test secret key. This is my test secret key. I'm going to click on this and I'm going to copy it. It is test secret key, and I'm going to come back to this place and I'll paste my test secret key here. And also come back again, copy my test publish key, copy it, and come back to this place and paste it here also. Can you see? And I'm going to just click on save changes. When I click on save changes, it automatically saves there, and I can come to this my page and refresh now. And immediately I refresh now, can you see The donation is 12 here. Because I'm the admin, that is why I'm seeing it. Let me just copy this and Control C and open a Cognito. Let's see how it go. Control V and enter. So can you see now? It's going to ask for my first name and last name. I just added up for Mikey Sunday, my email. Let's use Dleading, amount to be paid, and let me just donate. Nigerians need money. Let me donate. How much is Nigeria need? I think they are owing us some money. That's why we are still on strike. So let me pay the money. 53 billion, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Hey, Lord, Nigeria, the lady don't blow. I want to donate 53 billion. Okay, let's go ahead. So I'm going to click on donate now, and these are the cards you can use on this. So I'm going to click on donate now. The minute I click on donate now, it's going to tell me please wait, and it's going to take me to where I can donate. And the most funniest thing was that I think I have input more money. Let me just reduce it. Let me just say 50,000. 50,000, or let's just 5,000. So let me click on it. Can you see now? That money, I think, is when I'm donating 53 billion. So, this is just it. So, I think it's 5,000 or any amount, can still enter 50,000, stuff like that. Now, it's a test mode. So, automatically, they will generate a test ATM card for us to use on this side. Let me just click on this because it's test mode, and I click on pay 5,000 now. And can you see payment successfully? So, payment has been successfully. Thank you for donating. God bless you. Now, if I check my mail, let me come here and go to my. If I come to this particular place to go and check my Gmail, they will send me a mail. Or let me even check it. They should send me a mail that okay, I've donated some token amount of money. Okay, I think it's up there. So basically, that is just how to create a donation page. Now, don't forget, what we did there was just a test mode. Okay, I think it's here to refresh it. Let me reload it. Let me minimize this, and we'll be waiting for their mail. Now, can you see this is it now? The mail has come in. Let me just come back to here. Can you see? They also send me a receipt that okay, this is a receipt for that you are trying to make a payment on so particular store. Can you see? The leading web design company receive your payment, blah blah blah. Can you see? Can you see all this thing now? Now that is just basically how to go about it. And now another thing is that this is just a free stuff like this. Now if you want to make it a test mode, that will be as a live mode. You will come here. Can you see you are seeing test mode there? You will change it to live mode. Now if you are changing it to live mode, now you need to put in your live secret key and live public key. So I'm going to come to this place and copy my live secret key, and this is it. My password. Do I know this? Let me try it out. Thank God. Okay, because you click on this place and copy and come to this place and paste the live secret key, paste it here, and come back to your paste tag and copy your live public key, copy it, come to setting and paste it here. Now click on save changing. Now the staging is saved, it has been saved now. So let me come to this place and come to my donation page. Let me copy this. Control C, Control V, enter. Let me close this. So can you see now? Let me now retry it now. Let me just put 50,000 there. This time around I'm using 50k. And I'm donating 50k, so that's good. So let me click on place wait. It's going to ask me to wait. And now in this one now, I'll be needing to put in my normal ATM card. Can you see now? Because we are no longer using test mode now. We are using live mode now. So you can even click on bank. If you want to do a bank transfer, so it's going to ask you to choose any bank you like. These are the bank they are using. Paystack is using. So you click any of it. Let's say it. It's going to generate account number, okay, bank account number. You're going to put in your account number here and click on verify. They will automatically remove the money there. If you want to do transfer, they will generate the account number for you. Can you see this account number? And you need to make a payment before 30 minutes. So once you make the payment, you click on I've sent the money. If you want to use USSD code, they will need to generate a USD code for you. Just click on this and they will generate the code for you. Just copy this code, it automatically remove the money from your account, and basically that is just how to go about it. And once you pay, you get the money. The NGO will get the money in their dashboard, and in the next 24 hours they will get the money into their account, because that is just how to go about it though. And that is just basically how to go about it. I believe now you should be able to create a payment form, a payment gateway, a donation form, or a donation page for your client in case any of your clients ask you. And that's just what I want to show you in this video tutorial. And another thing is that in case you are a new, you are a web designer, and you are new into this, you really want to know more about web design from basic to advanced, you can check out my YouTube channel, where you'll be seeing a lot of video about how to create a website from basic to advanced level. Web design tutorial on basic to advanced level. And my training are just not, they are not anyhow training, they are advanced training. They are training that will help you, and they are easy to understand. So you can check out my YouTube channel, and at the same time you can also help me to, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please kindly help me to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share my video to your loved one, to your family, to everyone. Just let's push it to 1,000 subscribers. We can do that this week, I believe that. So it's 950 to remain 50 subscribers, and I believe we can do that. And at the same time, I just want to tell you also that Jesus really loves you, and he has a very good plan for you. So please, guys, I want you to move closer to him. He's the only one that can help you. Without Christ, we are nothing. Please, I want you guys to give your life to Christ so that you can enjoy the best that God has for you. And I pray the Lord God Almighty is going to be with you. And in this web design career you have chosen, the Lord is going to increase every one of us in this and give us more clients, more sales, more money to our accounts in Jesus' name. So thank you very much. I really appreciate you for watching my video tutorial. I really love you. It is my joy. In fact, thank you very, very much. God bless you. Have a wonderful day ahead of you. Bye.